Today we are going to decorate cake. So take a transparent sheet. First we are going to make the cone and look how we are cutting it. Now you will make this beautiful design on the top of it. Look how we are removing the cream and you will get this wavy pattern. Similar way you can use different color of cream and spread it on the top of it. We are making a Santa Claus here. You can make this beautiful cake decoration for Christmas Day. Make the eyes and nose and look, your beautiful cake is ready. Let's decorate cupcakes for Christmas Day. We are going to make different ornaments of Christmas Day like Christmas tree. We are also removing the cream like this. Make a cone and look, sprinkle some toppings on the top. We are also using this strawberries and spread the white cream. Make Santa Claus. Look how pretty these are looking. Spread the cream like we are doing here. Make the eyes of the snowman and it's done. You can also make reindeer in place of this and use your creativity and make different cupcakes for Christmas Day. Look, it's done. We're going to decorate this cake, so remove the white cream from the nozzle. Here we are going to make it in a very easy way. Here using different shades of cream and spread it randomly on the top of the cake and put ears. We are making reindeer here, so put the horns and make the eyes and look, it is ready. Let's decorate cake today. We are going to mix two colors together in the whipping cream like this. Now take the cake with the nozzle. We are going to remove the cream like this. Spread it evenly like we are doing here. After this we are going to make beautiful designs on the top of it. Here we are going to make a cap design. So remove the cream like this. Now you can also add different details. Make its eyes like we are doing here. Make a smiley face and look, your beautiful cake design is ready. Here we are going to decorate this cake for Christmas Day. You can make different designs. First we are going to make this brick wall. Now cut it into half and make a house design like this. Now we are going to cover it with white cream and look, it's done. We're also adding different things like the strawberries and make a Christmas tree. Put it on the top of the house and look, it's ready. We are going to make Santa Claus cake for Christmas Day. So let's start. We are going to spread this red cream on the top of the cake like this. Using this white cream, we are going to add more details. We are making the Santa Claus mustache and beard here. We are also putting this white cream like this. Make its large two eyes like this and look, your Santa Claus is ready. Make more such beautiful cakes for Christmas Day. Christmas Day is coming soon, so we are going to make different cupcakes designs for that special day. Look how we are making the Christmas tree, Santa Claus and snowman. You can use strawberries and other fruits and decorate the cupcake like this. Use the white cream and remove it like this. And you can also make Christmas tree using the strawberries and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.